Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your desktop has an active internet connection and admin rights. This lets you change network settings. Once done, choose a sharing method: Wi-Fi hotspot for multiple devices, USB tether for one stable link, or Bluetooth for low bandwidth needs. Make sure drivers or hotspot utilities are installed and updated, then enable the adapter you'll use. You'll now move directly into configuring the chosen method, so keep your mobile nearby and ready to connect. Now configure the specific sharing option. For Wi-Fi hotspot, create an SSID, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, set a strong password, and enable internet connection sharing on your desktop adapter. Then start the hotspot. For USB tethering, plug the phone in, allow USB debugging or tethering on the mobile, and confirm the desktop recognizes the network interface. For Bluetooth, pair devices, accept network access permissions, and enable the personal area network profile. Once configured, test connectivity before proceeding. Finish by connecting your mobile to the new network. Join the SSID with the password, enable USB tether on the phone, or connect to the Bluetooth PAN. You'll verify internet by loading a page or pinging an address. Check the IP, gateway, and DNS on the mobile if it fails. If there's no access, restart the desktop's network adapter and the phone, check firewall rules, confirm DHCP is assigning addresses, and ensure the mobile plan allows tethering. One key tip: temporarily disable the desktop firewall to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.